Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 5 and the name of the lesson is Location and Time. So let's start the lesson. Children, you can see page number 22 and picture number 5.1, globe of the earth. What are these vertical and horizontal lines on the globe of the earth? They are imaginary lines and are not drawn on the surface of the earth. The horizontal lines are called latitudes and vertical lines are known as longitudes. Now, let me explain you what are latitudes and longitudes. The earth is divided into various parts through some lines. However, these are not drawn on the earth. They are imaginary lines which help us to study the earth and its geography better. Such horizontal lines drawn on the globe are called latitudes, while the vertical lines on the globe are called longitudes. Now, what are latitudes and degrees of latitudes? Let us learn through an activity. Measure the angles of different places in the classroom with the help of a protractor, pencil, and paper. Draw a circle on a paper and write down the angles of the circle at 10 degree, 90 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree. Latitude is an angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree, north or south at the poles. Lines of latitude run east-west as circles parallel to the equator. Now children, on page number 22, see picture number 5.2, circle and angles. Draw a circle and mark a line of latitude. With the help of a map, mention the various countries through which that latitude passes. Draw latitudes at 23.5 degree, north and south, and write the names of countries through which they pass. The equator is the middle latitude or the 0 degree latitude which divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. The part of the earth that lies to the north of the 0 degree equator latitude is called the northern hemisphere, and the part that lies to its south is known as the southern hemisphere. Now children, on page number 22, picture number 5.3, you can see pole star. So see this picture. How many latitudes pass through our village or city? How can we find out? So this we will do in question answer in your CW copy. Now do and learn. Among the uncountable stars in the sky, there is one bright star, usually seen in the north, called the North Star or Pole Star. Take a big protractor, make a hole in the center and tie a thread. Hang a nail from it. as shown in the picture using glue stick, the lid of an unused ball pen on it. Take it to a place from where you can see the night sky clearly. Take it to the terrace and view the North Star through the cap of the pen. As you adjust it to view the star, the angle at which the nail stops is the latitude of your city. Now children, on page number 23, you can see picture 5.4, finding out the latitude. Now number 1, look at the moon and write the angle. Number 2, look at the North Star and write the angle. Number 3, look at the other stars and planets that you know and write their names. The names of a few countries are mentioned below. In what direction do they lie from the 0 degree latitude, north or south? Take an atlas and a globe and locate these countries. And the name of the countries are Kenya, Mongolia, Chile, South Africa, Egypt, Russia and Canada. Now things to know. GPS, mobile phones and Google. The exact latitude and longitude of a place can be known with the help of global positioning system in phones and satellites in space. Using the internet, you can get information about the latitudes and longitudes of your village or city by simply clicking on the My Location option in your phone. Now student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.